Hi, my name is Paul Andrew. I am a storyteller / drama facilitator for Eastside Educational Trust. Today's workshop is influenced by the Black Lives Matter movement. We'll be focused on events sparked by the killing of George Floyd and how that relates to Britain today. We'll learn about racism and different types of activism. Of course, activism has been happening over years in history, but we are going to be focusing on what's happening in today's society. Just for safeguarding, it's important to take care of yourself. If anything we discussed today makes you feel upset, please tell your teacher or someone at home or a trusted adult. It's very important that you take care of yourself and also respect each other when you're having discussions about this topic. On the Black Lives Matter website, they say it was founded in 2013 because of a young black man named Trevor Martin was killed because of the colour of his skin. And the person who did that was set free. They have organisations in the US, Canada, and the UK. Their mission is to build local power to intervene against violent acts towards the black community. They do this by combating acts of violence, and they also do it by celebrating black culture, using black joy, imagination, and storytelling. In pairs or groups, answer this question. What is racism and how does it function in everyday society? Share back to your class what you spoke about in your pairs and groups. Okay, the next task, I would like you to grab a paper and a pencil. Then I would like you to draw around your 5 fingers. In each finger, I would like you to answer this question. How do you see yourself? How would you identify yourself? Next, I would like you to write outside your fingers 5 ways how society sees you. After you've done that, I would like you to share and discuss it with your class. Most researchers agree that we are judged solely based on our identity of what we look like. Black people in society are treated differently to white people. They are given less opportunities in society based on the colour of their skin. This idea is known as privilege. Everybody has different types of privilege, like in gender, in religion, or in race. Now, we are fighting to change that in this workshop. Imagine a world where everyone had the same privilege. Wouldn't that be amazing? Now, what I would like you to do is to do a bit of role play, a bit of drama. I would like you to create your own news report on all the things you've learned today about Black Lives Matter, systemic racism, your identity and privilege. Think about ways you could show that back. Maybe one of you could be a cameraman. One of you could be the reporter. One of you could be talking about what you've learned. Even one of you could be maybe the sound person or back in studio. I would love you to do these and share these back with your class. Well done for all the work you've done so far. It's a really important topic. Now, your task is to create your own anti-racist campaign. Anti-racism is challenging racism all around you. Okay, what I would like you to do to get into groups, brainstorm different ideas how you can be anti-racist. Now choose one idea you can create a campaign for. Examples could be a poster, a banner, an advert, a letter, public speaking in maybe in assemblies about what you've learnt today. Share your work back with the class.